My grandkids are getting grumpy and they want to know when this silly coronavirus is going to go away so they can get out and play with their friends. So I tell them that the virus can only breed inside us. And if we can get lots of people to kill off the virus by creating a strong immune system, we will beat the virus. I explain to them that our guts do much more than help us digest our food. They communicate with each other to create a form of intelligence which, working with our head brain, acts as a control system for our bodies, controlling our appetite and how much and where we store fat. The current epidemic of diabetes, obesity and dementia starts in our guts. But our guts are also home to the bulk of our immune system. To fight the coronavirus, we need lots of people with healthy guts to kill off the coronavirus. There are good bugs and bad bugs. If we feed the good bugs the food they like, the good bugs will win. If we feed the bad bugs the food they like, the bad bugs will win. Technically, we know how to make our guts and our immune system strong. We have Gbiota Beds, which were developed to grow more good bugs and feed the good bugs already in our guts. So almost everyone with a bit of land can set up a Gbiota bed and grow Gbiota food. Gbiota beds are really pretty simple, so if we can persuade enough people to set up Gbiota beds and grow their own food that make the good bugs thrive, we will be on the road to beating the coronavirus. They wanted to know more about Gbiota beds, so I told them a story which started 25 years ago. I was invited to go to Africa to see if I could find a way to help people starving in the drought. What I saw was that it was not a simple question of shortage of water. In fact, there was reasonable rainfall. It was just at the wrong time. But just as important was the lack of nutrients. My experiments then were the forerunner of the modern Gbiota beds. There were two parts to the experiment. The land had been farmed for centuries with no added fertilizers, so incredibly low in nutrients. But weeds still managed to grow. We may think of weeds as pests, but they are incredibly efficient at extracting nutrients, even from depleted soils, and can prosper in very little rainfall. The experiment was to dig a trench in the ground, lined with a plastic film, which is pretty cheap, then fill the base with the weeds and backfill with the original soil. Any rainwater could be directed to fill the trench, forming an underground water reservoir, with water wicking up to the root zone. The weeds would slowly decompose, providing nutrients for the plants, while the water stored would tide the plants over between rainfalls. I didn't understand then, but I understand now, just how important the biology is. The more people we can persuade to grow food that makes the good bugs thrive, so they have a healthy gut, the quicker we'll defeat the virus, so you can all go back and play with your friends. Technical details can be found in the many articles on my web, www.gbiota.com. I'm now rapidly writing a whole series of articles on how to set up Gbiota beds in different conditions. I suggest you register on the site so you receive notification when these articles are published.